Welcome to Ramanagaram Railway Station. This station is managed by the South Western Railway Zone of Indian Railways. The station has a total number of 4 platforms and 1 foot-over bridge. There are 3 entry-exit gates to the station. There are 2 entry exits which directly go to platform 1. Foot-over bridge 1 is near the main entrance of station and has stairs to all the platforms. At the main entrance, there are ramps leading to the main entrance hall and from there to platform 1. Booking office, reservation counter and ticket counter are present at main hall. All the offices and passenger amenities are present on platform 1 such as waiting rooms, Government Railway Police, Railway Protection Force Office, Station Manager Office and Station Master Office. There are Divyang toilets at platform 1 and water booths available at all platforms. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate a person using a wheelchair to board the train. You can ask for these at inquiry or at Station Master Office. Station platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading towards the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives an overview of the station premise and facilities are installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective light strips at the starting and the end of the stairs to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio about the railway station can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing Braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by Indian Railways in association with Nissan Motors India and executed by Anuprayaas and Voice Trust.